Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Discord crashing or lagging easily and fast. So all what you have to do is very simple. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager right here as you can see. Now on this page you will find the apps that you have downloaded on your phone and also the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Discord and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to the app informations. On this page, you will find all the app informations. So all what you want to do here is click on the data usage. Scroll down and then disable the background data. Go back, click on the power usage details and then click on the app launch and disable this manage automatically and make sure everything here is enabled. Click OK and now click on this force stop and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.